Dear learners, welcome to this presentation on ophthalmic products. Do watch this video till the end to get information regarding the ophthalmic products. Now let us start with our presentation. After watching this video, the learners will be able to define ophthalmic products and explain essential characteristics of ophthalmic products. Now let us see what are ophthalmic products. These products are the sterile products meant for instillation into the eye in the space between eyelids and eyeballs. The ophthalmic products include eye drops, eye lotions, eye ointments, eye suspensions, and contact lens solutions. Now let us see the essential characteristics of different ophthalmic preparations, which are sterility, foreign particles, viscosity, tonicity, pH of the preparation, and surface activity. The ophthalmic preparations should possess the following properties. Now let us see one by one each of these characteristics. First is the sterility. The ophthalmic preparations must be sterile. Pseudomonas aeruginosa, a very common gram-negative bacteria which is generally found to be present in ophthalmic products. It may cause serious infection to cornea. It causes complete loss of eyesight in 24 to 48 hours. To maintain the sterility in multi-dose container, a suitable preservative is added. The preservative should be non-toxic, non-irritant, and should be compatible with medicament. The ophthalmic products are sterilized by autoclaving, filtration through bacteria-proof filters, and addition of bactericide at low temperature. Next essential characteristic is the foreign particles. The ophthalmic products should be clear and free from foreign particles, fibers, and filaments. These products should be clarified very carefully by passing through bacteria-proof filters such as membrane filters and sintered glass filters. Next essential characteristic is viscosity. To prolong the contact time of drug in the eye, various thickening agents are added in the ophthalmic preparations. Some of the examples are polyvinyl alcohol, polyethylene glycol, and methyl cellulose. The thickening agents are not included in the formulation of eye drops and eye lotions, which are required to be used during or after surgery due to adverse effects on the interior of the eye. The ideal thickening agent should possess the following properties. First, it should be easy to filter. Second, it should be easy to sterilize. Third one, the ideal thickening agent should be compatible with other ingredients. Next essential characteristic is tonicity. The ophthalmic products should be isotonic with lacrimal secretions to avoid discomfort and irritation. The eye can tolerate a range of tonicity from 0.5 to 2% NaCl, that is sodium chloride. The isotonic vehicles used to prepare ophthalmic products, some of the examples are 1.9% boric acid, then sodium acid phosphate buffer. The next essential characteristic is the pH of the preparation. The tears have a pH of about 7.4. The eye can tolerate solution having wide range of pH provided they are not strongly buffered. Since the tears will rapidly restore the normal pH value of the eye. Next essential characteristic is surface activity. The vehicles used in ophthalmic preparations must have good wetting ability to penetrate cornea and other tissues. Some of the examples of surface active agents that are used are benzalkonium chloride, then polysorbate 20, then polysorbate 80, then dioctyl sodium sulfosuccinate. So in this presentation, we have studied about ophthalmic products and essential characteristics of different ophthalmic preparations. If you like this video, press like button, and for more videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for your patience listening. Keep learning.